Let's learn the shapes rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, and pentagon. This is a rectangle. Can you see an object that is shaped like a rectangle? The door is shaped like a rectangle. Rectangle. This is a rhombus. Can you see an object that is shaped like a rhombus? A kite is shaped like a rhombus. Rhombus. This is a parallelogram. Can you see an object that is shaped like a parallelogram? An eraser is shaped like a parallelogram. Parallelogram. This is a pentagon. Can you see an object that is shaped like a pentagon? A kennel is shaped like a pentagon. Pentagon. Show me the parallelogram. Parallelogram. Show me the rectangle. Rectangle. Show me the pentagon. Pentagon. Show me the rhombus. Rhombus. What shape is this? A rhombus. What shape is this? A parallelogram. What shape is this? A pentagon. What shape is this? A rectangle. You did it! Don't forget to subscribe for free and hit the notification bell icon to stay tuned for new kids learning videos every week.